Cone of experience. Experience, ano ang sagot? Edgar Dale. Huwag isali ang S ha? Edgar Dale. Ulit. Sino ang proponent ng cone of experience? Edgar Dale. Now, dito guys, sa cone of experience, makikita natin guys na merong iba't iba mga experiences or activities dito. Now, ang ibig ba sabihin guys ng cone of experiences is tinitingnan dito ang degree of difficulty. Ibig bang sabihin guys, pag nasa base ka, mahirap, tapos pag nasa top is madali? Ganyan ba ang cone of experience? Yes or no? The answer is no. Kasi hindi po degree of difficulty ang ating tinitingnan dito. Ang tinitingnan natin guys is degree of abstraction. Again, degree of abstraction and not degree of difficulty. Again, ano ang tinitingnan natin guys? Degree of abstraction. Ibig sabihin guys, titingnan natin if ang isang activity, concrete ba siya or abstract. Gina? Concrete ba siya or abstract? Now, i-remember, sa cone of experience, the farther you go from the bottom of the cone, the more abstract the experience becomes. Ibig sabihin guys, pag nasa base ka or bottom, concrete or direct ang experience. Pag nasa top ka naman guys ng cone, that means abstract ang experience. Ulit ha, pag nasa bottom, concrete. Pag nasa taas na guys, abstract. Everybody do this. Concrete, abstract. Concrete, abstract. Sabay-sabay tayo people. Go. Concrete, abstract. Concrete, abstract. Pag nasa bottom, concrete or direct. Pag nasa top, abstract. Again, abstract. Again, review tayo. Sa cone of experience, ano yung tinitingnan natin? Degree of abstraction. Again, degree of abstraction. Ano yung action clue natin? Clue natin na action, guys. Go. Concrete, abstract. Concrete, abstract. Very good. Now, sige na, babe. Answer that, guys. The closer you are at the base, the more blank the experience becomes. The closer you are at the base, the more blank the experience becomes. Anong sagot? Correct. That is concrete. The farther you are at the base, the more blank the more blank the experience becomes. That is abstract. Ano nga yung action natin? Go. Concrete, abstract. Again, concrete, abstract. In other words, guys, pag nasa lower level ka, again, nasa lower levels ka, that means ang mga estudyante dito is saan sila? Merong? Correct. Ang sulit dito, guys, is participant. Ibig sabihin, may active learning na nagaganap. Kasi concrete, guys, or direct ang experience. Again ha, pag nasa lower levels, ang estudyante is nagiging participant, merong active learning na nagaganap. Pero pag upper level na guys, ibig sabihin ang teacher doon, kailangan siya ng instructional support sa guys o nasa upper levels, ano ang bata? Passive. Again, passive. So, kailangan ng instructional support galing kay teacher. So, another clue natin guys, active, passive. Active, passive. Sige, ulit tayo. Guys, ang cone of experience, ano ang tinitingnan natin na degree? Degree of abstraction. Again, degree of abstraction. Ano nga yung first clue natin? Action, go. Concrete, abstract. Concrete, abstract. Pag closer ka sa bottom, anong experience doon? Concrete or direct. Pag nasa top ka naman, anong experience? Mga abstract experiences. Very good. Again guys, Pag nasa lower, ano ang bata? Active. Pag nasa upper level, passive. Very good. Yan po guys ang cone of experience. Sino ang proponent? Edgar Dale. So ito po guys, ang Edgar Dale cone of experience. So mag-start tayo sa direct purposeful, sa contrive, sa dramatize, sa demonstration, study trips, exhibits, educational television, motion picture, recordings, radio and still pictures, visual symbols, and verbal symbols. Yan pong lahat guys, yan po ang Edgar Dale's cone of experience. Sir, kailangan ba yan i-memorize? Yes. Kailangan po natin ito ma-memorize ngayong gabi. As in, sir, yes na yes by God's grace. So, kailangan po siyang i-memorize, guys. Sir, saan naman, sir, makaya ba memorize? Huwag makalala, guys, kasi meron tayong strategy na gagamitin dyan mamaya. So, guys, para ma-memorize ito, gagamit tayo, guys, ng piggyback song. Meron tayong kanta, guys. Sige. Sa kanta, tanggalin natin ang mga merong experiences, guys. Kung ano na ito na experiences. Tara. Tanggal, tanggal, tanggal. Ang educational television, guys, palitan natin ng TV. Again, TV. Ang motion pictures, palitan natin ng motion pic. Again, motion pic. At ito ang Dale's Cone of Experience. Sige ha? Yan po yung lyrics natin. Direct purposeful, contrive, dramatize, demonstrations, study trips, exhibits, TV, motion pic, recordings, radio, and still pictures, visual symbols, and verbal symbols. Now, handa na ba kayo guys na ma-memorize? Sige. Guys, meron tayong kanta dito guys. Ang tono is Twinkle, Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Or pwede din po A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kana ha? Yan po yung tono natin, guys. Makinig na mabuti. Balag ba't yung tingog, pero bahala na siya, ha? Sige. Ganito siya, guys. Direct, purposeful, contrive, dramatize, demonstration, study trips, exhibits, TV, motion pic, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual symbols, verbal symbols, Dale's cone of experience. O sa ba? Ganito. Direct, purposeful, contrive, dramatize, demonstration, study trips, exhibits, TV, motion pic, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual symbols, verbal symbols, Dale's cone of experience. Sige, sabay-sabay tayo guys inyong bahay. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Direct, purposeful, contrive, dramatize, demonstrations, study trips, exhibits, TV, motion pic, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual, still pictures, visual symbols, verbal symbols, Dale's cone of experience. Isa pa guys. 1, 2, i-memorize. 1, 2, 3, go. Direct, purposeful, contrive, dramatize, demonstration, study trips, exhibits, TV, motion pic, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual symbols, verbal symbols, Dale's cone of experience. Sige na, Bek. Amo lang daw, guys. I-memorize. Go! Guys, gets mo ba yung kanta natin, guys? Sige. Sige na, Bek. Lagyan natin Lagyan natin ng tugtog, guys. Sabay-sabay tayo, sabay-sabay. Direct, possible, contrite, dramatize, demonstrations, narrations, exhibits, TV, motion, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual, symbols, verbal, symbols, tales, code of experience. Once again, come on! Direct, possible, contrived, dramatized, demonstrations, narrations, exhibits, TV, motion, recordings, radio, still pictures, symbols, verbal, symbols, tales, code of experience. Isa pa, everyone. Come on down. Sabay ta. Direct, possible, contrived, dramatized, demonstrations, narrations, exhibits, TV, motion, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual, symbols, verbal, symbols, tales, code of experience. Last one. Direct, possible, contrived, dramatized, demonstrations, narrations, exhibits, TV, motion, recordings, radio, still pictures, visual, symbols, verbal, symbols, tales, code of experience. Correct. Guys, na-gets mo ba yung kanta, guys? Sige na, be? Na-memorize po ba? Sige. Before tayo mag-proceed, comment daw, be. Comment ng Dale. Comment ng Dale, guys, if na-gets natin yung kanta, if na-memorize. Di ba? Comment ng Dale. Di ba madali lang, guys? In less than 5 minutes, na-memorize na po natin. Tapos kanina, napaka-OA, napaka-emotional ng iba. Oh, very good. Sige, Dabi, mag-video kayo, guys, mag-video